Hi team, today I thought let use some traditional method, and based on that we're going to cover some topic, and today we're going to discuss about Smurf attack. It's a very common attack, okay? Smurf attack. Smurf attack. I thought I will start this topic. The reason why this topic is quite testable in CISSP and CISSP and CISA exam. So first of all, the Smurf attack is a kind of attack which is happening on the network layer. So what is Smurf attack? Let me explain you. So we have a system A, we have a system B, and we have 1,000 hosts. Okay, so system A IP address is 1.1.1.1 and system B IP address is 1.1.1.2. okay, so we have two IPs here, and along with that we also have 1,000 hosts. Now what is my objective? It is like a DDoS attack, okay, because it is an attack in which we try to spoof the victim IP. This is basically my victim. This is my victim, or you can say my target also. Okay, so here what happened? A spoof B IP. Okay, so in which he will mention the source IP, which is called as a 1.1.1.2, and destination will be broadcast. Destination will be broadcast. So in that case what happened? We send a ICMP echo packet to all these hosts. When they receive the ICMP echo request, they will reply to B only, and this is how we able to perform DOS or DDoS attack on the B system. So three things you need to remember. Smurf attack is an attack which is happen on the network layer. We use the target IP as my victim IP as a source, and we send the ICMP request to all the 1,000 hosts or 10,000 hosts, and those 10,000 hosts will reply to the B system, and by this way it will overflow the memory, take more and more process, and make the B system unavailable from other authorized users. So this is called as a Smurf attack. So countermeasure this attack is to tune the IDS, tune the firewalls, analyze the behavior of the packet which is coming from a particular host or particular IPs, and by which we can able to block such kind of an attacks. This is a small session from my side. For more information, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.